Second grade Module 1, Schools Around the World. In this video, you will hear about what your second grader will be learning in our first literacy module, Schools Around the World. You will preview the books we are reading, learn about performance tasks your child will be completing, and discover supports you can provide to enhance your child's learning. What is school, and why are schools an important part of communities? Why is it hard for some students to get to school in their communities? How do communities overcome these challenges so students can go to school? What makes schools around the world different? What makes them similar? These are the guiding questions that will drive this learning module. Your child will seek the answers through research, stories, and classroom discussions, and present their learning in a variety of ways. This module is broken up into 3 distinct units. Unit 1 focuses on building background knowledge and answering the question, what is school and why is it important, through the reading of different stories that are set in schools. Unit 2 introduces research and note-taking as we dive into nonfiction text that helps us answer the questions of why is it hard for some students to get to school, and how do communities work to overcome these challenges. We wrap it up in Unit 3 by answering what makes schools around the world similar and different. Some of the assessments and performance tasks your child will encounter include answering questions and responding in writing to a fictional text, reading and writing from research notes, and culminating in using their research to create and publish a most important things about school book. Let's dive a little deeper into these units. Unit 1 aims to answer the question of what is school and why is it important. To answer, your child will be read, What Does School Mean to You?, The Dot, and The Invisible Boy. Each book presents children facing different experiences in school and leads to rich classroom discussions around the importance of school. Within this unit, your child will learn to respond to text by focusing in on key details in both the text as well as the illustrations. They will analyze characters' actions and responses to different events. At the end of the unit, the students will answer questions and write about these character responses from the story, The Invisible Boy. As we move into Unit 2, students will now be guided by the questions of why is it hard for some students to get to school in their communities, and how do the communities work to overcome these challenges so that students can get to school. We will be using the nonfiction text Off to Class to explore 4 unique schools from around the world, including a remote school in the Amazon rainforest, a school on wheels in Mumbai, and even a floating boat school in Bangladesh. Throughout this unit, students will learn the importance of good note-taking while researching, writing an informative paragraph about a school they have studied, peer collaboration through the use of writing partners, and improving reading fluency by engaging in a Reader's Theater adaptation of the schools in Off to Class. We end with Unit 3, where students are now learning what makes schools around the world different and what makes them similar. In this unit, students will compare and contrast one of the schools they researched in Unit 2 with their very own school. They will improve their speaking and listening skills as they present their research and learning to their peers. Finally, they will write, edit, and revise their own books about the schools using the important book as a model. They will share their books with others in their school. Throughout all of these units, your child will be learning valuable skills to help them achieve success in school and prepare them to be college and career ready. You can support your child at home by having conversations and encouraging them to share why school is important. You can share your own school experiences with your child and discuss with them what is different and similar to their experiences. You can read books and sing songs about other schools from around the world. Here are some recommendations of great books to explore together. This Is How We Do It: One Day in the Lives of 7 Kids from Around the World by Matt Lamont. The Barefoot Book of Children by Tessa Strickland and Kate DePalma. Maybe Something Beautiful: How Art Transformed a Neighborhood by F. Isabel Campoy and Teresa Howell. Armando and the Blue Tarp School by Edith Hope Fine and Judith Pinkerton Josephson. School Days Around the World by Margaret Rurs. Nazrine's Secret School, a true story from Afghanistan by Jeanette Winter. This is the Way We Go to School, a book about children around the world by Edith Bear. Recess at 20 Below by Cindy Ayud. Crowboy by Taro Yoshima. Last Stop on Market Street by Matt De La Pena. We are so excited to engage your child in this rigorous and interesting module and discover schools around the world. Thank you for partnering with us to support your child's learning.